Donald Trump a récemment lancé un projet monumental qui pourrait changer la donne dans le domaine de l'intelligence artificielle, le projet Stargate. Accompagné de Larry Ellison, CEO d'Oracle, Masa Son, CEO de SoftBank, Sam Altman, CEO d'OpenAI, il a présenté ce qui est décrit comme le plus grand investissement dans l'infrastructure IA de l'histoire. On parle de 500 milliards de dollars, de milliers d'emplois et de centres de données gigantesques construits à travers les États-Unis. Mais que cache réellement ce projet et pourquoi tout le monde en parle? Dans cette vidéo, on va analyser tout ça en détail en revenant sur les moments forts de cette conférence de presse passionnante. Installez-vous confortablement, c'est parti. Le projet Stargate, c'est quoi exactement? Écoutons cet extrait où le président explique en quoi ce projet est historique.
Man, an amazing business person, but to announce the largest AI infrastructure project by far in history, and it's all taking place right here in America. As you know, there's great competition for AI and other things, and they're coming in at the highest level. We're joined by Oracle Executive Chairman Larry Ellison, SoftBank CEO, my friend Masa Yoshi-san, and CEO of OpenAI, and I would say by far the leading expert based on everything I read, Sam Altman. So that's great that you're coming in together. That's a massive group of talent and money. Together, these world-leading technology giants are announcing the formation of Stargate. So put that name down in your books, because I think you're going to hear a lot about it in the future. A new American company that will invest $500 billion at least in AI infrastructure in the United States and very, very quickly, moving very rapidly, creating over 100,000 American jobs almost immediately. This monumental undertaking is a resounding declaration of confidence in America's potential under a new president. Let me be a new president. I didn't say it, they did. So I appreciate that, fellas. But it'll ensure the future.
Donc on parle ici d'un investissement de 500 milliards de dollars, de la création de 100 000 emplois et de l'objectif de faire des États-Unis le leader mondial de l'intelligence artificielle. Au-delà de la technologie, ce projet a aussi une dimension géopolitique. Écoutons Donald Trump parler de la compétition mondiale dans le domaine de l'IA, en particulier avec la Chine.
Of technology. What we want to do is we want to keep it in this country. China is a competitor and others are competitors. We want it to be in this country, and we're making it available. I'm going to help a lot through emergency declarations, because we have an emergency. We have to get this stuff built. So they have to produce a lot of electricity, and we'll make it possible for them to get that production done very easily at their own plants if they want, where they'll build at the plant, the AI plant, they'll build energy generation, and that will be incredible. But it's technology and artificial intelligence, all made in the USA. Beginning immediately, Stargate will be building the physical and virtual infrastructure to power the next generation of advancements in AI, and this will include the construction of colossal data centers, very, very massive structures.
L'objectif est clair, les États-Unis veulent rester en tête face à des concurrents comme la Chine, en gardant les investissements et les innovations sur leur territoire. Et pour ça, ils sont prêts à accélérer les démarches administratives, notamment pour la production d'énergie nécessaire à ces infrastructures géantes. Mais au-delà des chiffres et des enjeux politiques, quelles applications concrètes ce projet Stargate va-t-il permettre de développer? Larry Ellison a donné un exemple fascinant concernant la médecine. Écoutons-le.
Thank you, Mr. President. We certainly couldn't do this without you. It would simply be impossible. AI holds incredible promise for all of us, for every American. We've actually been working with OpenAI for a while and with Masa for a while. The data centers are actually under construction. The first of them are under construction in Texas. Each building's 500,000 square feet. There are 10 buildings currently being built, but that will expand to 20, and other locations beyond the Abilene location, which is our first location. The kind of applications that we're building, to give you an idea, maybe the most charismatic and the one that I think touches us all is electronic health records not just maintaining electronic health records, but by looking at electronic health records, understanding the condition of doctors, better understanding the condition of their patients, and being able to provide healthcare plans that are much better than they otherwise would be. A doctor in Indian River Reservation would be able to see how a doctor at Memorial Sloan Kettering would treat the patient, or a doctor at Stanford would treat the patient. We actually provide all of that information, all of that guidance to the doctors who are treating cancer patients or patients with any other kind of disease, made possible by AI.
C'est impressionnant, détecter un cancer à partir d'un simple test sanguin, puis concevoir un vaccin personnalisé en seulement 48 heures. Si cette vision devient réalité, cela pourrait révolutionner la médecine et sauver des millions de vies. Mais ce n'est pas tout. Sam Altman, CEO d'OpenAI, a également souligné un point crucial. Comment ce projet pourrait ouvrir la voie à l'intelligence artificielle générale, AGI.
I don't have too much to add, but I did want to say I'm thrilled we get to do this in the United States of America. I think this will be the most important project of this era. And as Masa said, for AGI to get built here, to create hundreds of thousands of jobs, to create a new industry centered here, we wouldn't be able to do this without you, Mr. President. And I'm thrilled that we get to. I think it'll be an exciting project. I think we'll be able to do all of the wonderful things that these guys talked about. But the fact that we get to do this in the United States is, I think, wonderful. So thank you very much.
L'intelligence artificielle générale, ou AGI, c'est l'idée de créer une IA capable de rivaliser avec l'intelligence humaine. Sam Altman parle même d'ASI, intelligence artificielle super intelligente, qui pourrait résoudre des problèmes mondiaux que nous considérons aujourd'hui comme insolubles. Mais cela soulève aussi de grandes questions. Comme toujours avec l'IA, ces avancées viennent avec leur lot de défis. Parmi eux, l'impact sur l'emploi, les inégalités d'accès aux technologies ou encore les dangers d'une IA mal contrôlée. Écoutons ce passage où Massason évoque la responsabilité sociale de ce projet.
Mr. President, last month I came to celebrate your winning and promised that we will invest $100 billion. And you told me, oh, Masa, go for 200. Yeah. Now I came back with 500. Because this is the, as you said yesterday, this is the beginning of golden age of America. This is one great example, I think, right? We wouldn't have decided to do this.
I think so.
This is the beginning of golden age. We wouldn't have decided unless you won. And yesterday we agreed, we signed to make this happen.
It's great.
Because of this day.
Very nice.
So we would make this happen. We would immediately start deploying $100 billion with a goal of making $500 billion within next 4 years, within your term, right? Because of your success. So we are very, very excited to do this. And our partner is, of course, SoftBank, OpenAI, Oracle, and additionally investing partner with MGX. On top of that, we have the technology partner, NVIDIA, and of course, Microsoft has been very, very supportive to Sam and continue to support all our success. This is not just for business. As Larry said, this will help people's life. This will help solving many, many issues, difficult things that otherwise we could not have solved with the power of AI. I think AGI is coming very, very soon. And then after that, that's not the goal. After that, artificial super intelligence will come to solve the issues that mankind would never ever have thought that we could solve. Well, this is the beginning of our golden age.
C'est ici que le débat devient très intéressant. Oui, l'IA peut résoudre des problèmes incroyables, mais elle peut aussi poser des menaces si elle n'est pas correctement encadrée. Le projet Stargate a une ambition énorme, mais aussi une responsabilité immense. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on peut retenir de ce projet Stargate? C'est une initiative gigantesque qui pourrait propulser l'intelligence artificielle à un niveau jamais atteint, tout en renforçant la position des États-Unis sur la scène mondiale. Mais c'est aussi un pari risqué qui exige une gestion rigoureuse, une réflexion éthique profonde. Et vous, qu'en pensez-vous? Ce projet vous rassure-t-il ou vous semble-t-il dangereux? Dites-le moi en commentaire. Si vous avez trouvé cette vidéo utile, n'oubliez pas de laisser un pouce bleu. Abonnez-vous et activez la cloche pour ne rien manquer des prochaines vidéos. On se retrouve très vite pour une nouvelle vidéo. C'était ETL. Peace out.